Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. So, welcome to this YouTube channel. It's Gary Tech Interior Design. As you can see here, we have this amazing 4-bedroom house that is over here. So, I've been touring this house for like from the scratch up to now. Like you can see here, we have done everything almost. Our project is almost ending. So today we have come to install our interior designing, of which is an electrical that we are starting today. But the fitting for the electrical, but like you can see here, the wiring we have done a little bit earlier, so as and then we had to stop because of some due to financial. But now we have bought the fittings for this for the fitting for this entire house. So you will be updated. We are now doing electrical. So this is the corridor. Like you can see here, we'll put a downlight, a triplet chandelier with a snake light. And then here, this is the seating, of which our seating, you can see it's over here. It's like this. We'll put here a fan, and then fan, a chandelier, and then here it is our modern TV stand. Like you can see, it is over here. And then of which that TV stand, it even have a lighting point on there. And then this is the dining. Like you can see here, we'll put a chandelier at the center, and then downlights, wall brackets, even fan. We'll put fan because we are in Garissa, so the temperature in Garissa are much higher as compared to the other location. So this is bedroom. This is the bedroom 1. Even though we have a little bit complication of opening here, we have not yet sorted, but we'll sort it later. And then this is the bedroom 2 that you see over here. We'll install here a centerpiece that will be there, a fan, downlights, wall bracket, sockets, like you can see. For provision for the air condition, we have already done. Even our fitting for our grills and our sliding window. Here is our wardrobe. Like you can see, we have already fitted, and then it runs up to the end up to the ceiling point. And then here, this door leads us towards the kitchen, like you can see. And then this is the store, this is the pantry. Like you can see, we have already even fitted our shelf over there. And then here, so like you can see here, we have done this one. These empty spaces, we leave it for microwave and an oven. The owner suggested that he have it, so he will come and place it over there. And then like you can see, the higher level we have already fitted. Like you can see, it's just quite small, but I think we'll be able to accommodate his own kitchen stuffs. And then this is the lower level. Like you can see, it runs up to this end. And then even we have done marble. We have installed our marble sink. Like you can see, this is a double sink over here. Then this is our marble. And then this is let me take you, this is the bedroom 2, the bedroom 3. Like you can see here, we have done this maybe for, if you have maybe shoes or something, you can, before you enter the house, you can just put it over here. We had suggested to be a mirror, but we just went with this simple shelf. So this is the bedroom 3. Like you can see, we'll come and fit here our downlights, snake light, a fan, and the centerpiece of which is a full moon. Like you can see. And then this is the wardrobe that is over here. And then this third bedroom, it's an ensuite, of which we are assuming that this will be only for children. Like you can see, we have just finished everything. We have installed our water pipe lamping work. Like you can see, this is the shower, and then this is the stopcock, and then we have put here a tap, and then this is the sink. And then that I've told you, maybe this will be for children. This is the a small, sorry, These are small toilets that our maybe the younger children that will be using, and then this before bigger or even your housemaid or house help will be using this one. And then even we have installed our Arabic shower. Like you can see over there are two. So this is the one, and the second one is over here. Like you can see, I think the water it's over, but we'll show you at the end of this video. So this is the master bedroom, guys. So this master bedroom, this one is the one that has a like you can see, this is the material for electrical. Like you can see, this is the downlights, and then like you can see our sockets is over here. So this is the material. This is for our wardrobe, our wall brackets, and then everything for the electrical it's over here. This is our master bedroom. Like you can see, this is the colorful downlights that you see head go with. Like you can see, guys, it's fitting a very good. I think at the end of the video you will see how amazing it is, of which this work will be taking like either two. Let's say tomorrow I will give you a full house tour whereby we will have finished the electrical part. And then like you can see, this is the wardrobe, guys. This wardrobe is quite big as compared to the one for the other bedrooms. This one's for big due to this is the master bedroom. And then we have already fitted our windows and the grills, sliding window, it's already sorted, like you can see over there. And then this is the arc that leads us towards our small dressing room and the toilet. Sorry. So over here, this is another wardrobe. Like you can see, we have installed it so as our clients have enough provision to store his or her own cloth. And then this is the dressing mirror that is over here. Like you can see, maybe you can use a dressing mirror. You put maybe like his or his wife. He can use maybe as like to put his own beautification the material over this one. Then this is the mirror. Like you can see, it's over there. And then this is the toilet. Like you can see, this toilet we have not yet finished. This one will be installing here the cubicle shower, of which we have not yet done. But like you can see, this is the shower that will be just operating. I've told you, due to financial problem, we have not yet done this. Due to financial, we will come and then install it there at the end of the day. Like you can see, this is the Arabic shower for this master bedroom, even though it's not yet fully completed. Our tiles, like you can see, it's of same design with the other bedroom. And then this is the toilet. This is the toilet for our master bedroom. And then here, this is the sink. Like you can see, it's of digital one. Like you can see, it's a hanging. Let's say it's a hanging hand basin of, like you can see. And then this is the mirror that will be used over here. And then this is the small window that is over here. So guys, keep tuning. Let's meet on the next video. While this, I think the entire project will be now fully been lighting. Will be lighting here. So let's meet on the next video.